can, there we go. And then I want to go back to the very beginning, and I'm going to return this so it's available to you, because if I keep it, I take one away. So I go to Manage Loan, and I go to Return Early, and then I return it. So now there's 2 available for you guys. And then we'll go back, and I want you to see the other one, which is really fun. For a lot of kids, it is hard to read such a long book, and that's why it's great to read it with your teacher and your classmates. And I'm happy to read some chapters too, but if you want, you can borrow the audiobook. And look, there's 6 copies of the audiobook, and there's 3 available. So altogether, there's now 5 different copies, and 3 of them come with sound, so you can put on your earphones or a speaker, and you can listen right before bed and let it rock you to sleep, but be careful, don't lose your place. And so this is the same. You just borrow it, and it's on, and you can read it in your app. And I hope this helps you guys, and I hope it gives you some fun things to do. And if you look, there's more in this series. Let's see where we say, let's see if I can get more. Go back. Let's see if when I press Rick's name. All right, well, we're gonna stop there, but there's a lot of these books available. So when you finish The Lightning Thief, you can keep going and read The Sea of Monsters, which is the number 2 book, and on and on and on. And I hope you guys will take advantage of this great opportunity. And if you're not sure how to get a library card number, if you lost your library card or you have fines, look at my other video and you will see there how to get an emergency number for using online resources, and that will keep you busy all summer long. All right, you guys, that'll be all for today.